How to change the status of a repair order in MaxxTraxx. There's often several ways to accomplish the same thing in MaxxTraxx. Changing a repair order's status or marking it as complete is no exception. There are no less than 3 ways to do that. We'll go over them now. Option number 1, the Save and Change Status method. We'll use this existing RO as an example. At the bottom right of the open RO, click the Save button. From the drop-down choices, there's one called Save and Change Status to change the RO status when saving and exiting. That is the shop's list of all custom statuses that can be added to the system. The Complete designation is listed separately for clarity. We'll choose that now. It's asking for the outgoing mileage. We put 5 miles on the car for test driving, so we'll input 175,489 here and click OK. There's the "Are you sure?" warning that this will lock the RO and prevent further changes. If ready to finalize, click Yes here. OK, now for option number 2, which is the right-click method. We'll use Sandra's RO to demonstrate. From the main schedule, right-click her RO, and the MaxxTraxx context menu appears. From this informational tile here, one can see at the top the colored box representing the RO's current status. Click that box to display some options. One of those is Complete, so we'll select that. Alright, here's yet another way to change the status of an RO, and that's option number 3, the drag and drop method. From the Service Counter tab at the top, switch to the Status Workflow tab. This shows all the appointments and repair orders in a graphical, tiled format. To change a status, simply click and hold on the RO's tile and drag it into the column representing the status to change it to. Brandon's RO is completed as well, so we'll click that and drag it into the Complete column. There we go. We hope you found the preceding video helpful. MaxxTraxx team members are readily available to provide personal assistance via several methods as shown here, Monday through Friday, 5 a.m. to 5 p.m. Pacific Time. Thank you for watching.